First up this evening, the police are making arrangements to lay charges against 50-year-old Paul Coote for the murder of his two daughters and their mother, who was 8 months pregnant.
The three were viciously chopped to death in Green Island, Hanover on Tuesday morning.
The murder sent shockwaves throughout the community and the education sector. TVJ's Herman Green has details.
3 body bags tell it all. The horrific aftermath of a domestic dispute gone terribly wrong. A mother, 38-year-old Adanique Cunningham, her 2 daughters, 7-year-old Jayana Coote and 4-year-old Shanique Coote, all chopped to death allegedly by their father. Residents in Green Island, Hanover gather in shock and disbelief, some lamenting that 4 persons have been killed as the woman was 8 months pregnant. Her mother, the children's grandmother, was at a loss for words.
I devastated. I can't explain how I feel right now.
She says about 7 o'clock Tuesday morning, Miss Cunningham went to her common-law husband's house to get her children ready for school.
I said to her, hurry up and come back. So when I am there and not seeing her come back, I said, I don't know what she's doing up there so long.
It's understood that an argument developed between her and the children's father about who got her pregnant. That's when he allegedly used a machete to chop the pregnant woman and the 2 infants to death. He tried to escape, but was held and handed over to the police. Residents say the incident is a complete surprise, as they can't recall any previous altercations between the 2.
Shock. It leaves the community in shock, because either of the party, the one that have done the act and the young lady that died, they said they are 2 humble persons that doesn't really talk. Even if they have anything, you would not know that they have it because they don't talk much.
Boiling with mixed emotions, the children's grandmother says she doesn't know what to do next, as this daughter normally takes care of her. She's also extremely angry with the alleged perpetrator.
If I catch him on this 6 foot, then maybe it's me, taxpayer would feed instead of him. But God bless him and get away.
Herman Green, TVJ News.